guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you really enjoy this video. So it is very windy out, you guys, today. So hopefully you guys will be able to hear me the entire time. Today we're just gonna be kind of exploring around. Hopefully we can get some good pictures. So right now I'm just hanging out. I've got my camera and my big lens here, but I'll show you guys. So there's the bird feeder, and lots of birds come to the bird feeder. So hopefully we see lots of birds. There are lots of tufted titmouses and chickadees and sometimes cardinals and doves and all sorts of birds. So hopefully we can get some good shots. So I have seed spread all around here. So there should be lots of birds. I am just going to be sitting over here. We're just going to be sitting here and waiting for birds at the bird feeder. So I already hear a chickadee, so we'd better start being quiet. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I gotta be really quiet. There's some chickadees. Hi guys, so I got lots of good pictures. There are actually more birds than I thought were gonna show up, but there's lots of birds. There is some tufted titmouses, there is some songbirds, there is actually some cardinals, there is a brown thrasher. So now I just got done photographing birds at the bird feeder. So now I'm just walking around trying to find some things. There probably won't be that many things, but we'll see. Go up here. I brought another lens, so I might do some flower photography or something like that if I can't find any birds. So there are these really pretty yellow flowers that I might get some pictures of. Here they are. So these are the yellow flowers. They're very pretty. So I'm gonna change my lenses and try to take some pictures of these pretty yellow flowers. There's also a pretty creek here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna change my lenses. In this bag is my other lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch them over. We will also take a trip to Jack. And you might be wondering, who is Jack? Well, we have a neighborhood donkey, and he is very sweet, and I'm gonna bring him some apples to feed him. Let's put this one away and close that up. And we're ready to go. I'm gonna take some pictures of the flowers. There's a chickadee, guys. So, I just changed my lens again. I took some pictures of the yellow flowers and then I changed my lens back to the big one, the wildlife one, in case I see any more birds. I just saw a chickadee, but I didn't have enough time to take a picture of it, but that's okay. So we're just heading down to Jack right now to feed Jack. He is our neighborhood donkey. He's very sweet and cute. So I'm gonna feed him right now. That's kind of cool. There's some like little buds on this tree. All right. So there's not much activity on. Hold on. I see some. All right, guys, that was amazing. I just saw an eastern bluebird, and I usually never get pictures of them, but I just got a great picture of one. So we're just still heading down to Jack. I'm keeping my eye out for any birds. But yeah, that bluebird just ran right across to a little fence. He was perched on top of a fence. But once he saw me, he ran away. But I still managed to get a good picture of him. Okay, guys, we're almost there. Here comes Jack, you guys. Hi, Jack. So Jack is very sweet. So the wind actually kind of stopped a little bit for now, which is good. My next video will be where I talk about my gear that I use, my camera equipment and stuff like that. So look forward to that video. I will probably be doing more videos in the summer. If you watch my intro or if you live here, you know that there are lots of elk here. And in the fall, which is kind of in a while, that's when they start to mate and bugle. And bugling is just kind of like a part of mating. So, yeah. So like I just said, I'll probably have more videos in the summer because there are lots of more birds and animals around. So I look forward to the summer. I also don't have school in the summer because I have summer break. So I'll probably be able to do better videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to go ahead and end it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.